ulit. Sorry. Go.
Thank you, Tita Nani. How do you like for this? And Tita Nani, how do you like my big nose? My big orange nose.
Sige na, mag-ano kayo. Tingnan niyo, buksan niyo. Masarap
I
daw
don't
yan
know
eh.
how to open this.
Ano ga? Sa dulo, sa likod. Underneath. Ay, si yan?
I don't know how. You're even gonna tell me I should just rip this off?
No, sa ilalim. Dito, tangi.
But I don't know where to start. Here or here?
Sa butas. Yung sa bilog yan.
Ow.
Ah, nabuksan na ni Enzo. O, tikman mo nga. Yung trash niya, put it in the tissue. Tikman mo kung masarap.
This will taste good. Good. Take orange.
Sarap?
It's good. Add it to my snack list.
Ikaw naman siyan.
Okay? Not fully opened
Si
yet.
Lynn and Sam, hindi pa rin.
Opened it now.
Okay, tikman mo isa. Taste one. O, ang lasa, Sam.
Good.
Siyan, ano ka ba kaingot mo? Hiwain mo yan, tanggalin mo isa-isa. Ay, lintak na bata ito eh. Put your finger in the middle. Oh my gosh, you eat like a, crazy person. Ang lasa?
Sweet.
Sweet. Lasa?
Good. Good.
Good. Oo, sasabihin niya kay Tita Nani.
Thank you, Tita Nani. I love it so much.
You love it? Ikaw din?
Yeah. It's the best.
Eat the best?
I opened it.
Ang laki, no? O, sige na. Pabush.